Are we doing this one then, John? I said, are we doing this one then? Just like that? Yeah. Sorted. I reckon. Turn round like this. Lay like that. Coming through. Until you get to the middle here. Oh fucking hell. Rip your leg off on the twat. And then once you get to the middle here, just fucking do a hop skip out. Whoa.
Strong leg.
Yeah, and then just fucking get it like that and just lower it in.
Oh yeah, no.
Like that and just fucking bash.
Oh yeah, that's